Hello there.
Hello there. Yeah, see, I'm back with part 5, as I'm going to carry on, like I said, in my last video. Sorry about the earlier start. I remember to put the commentary on this time so you can hear me speak, what my thoughts are, what I'm doing, and how I'm acting and how I'm reacting. But yeah, you can hear me clearly now, even better, so let's get back into this. Get back into number 5, part 5 of the Banishers, Ghost of New Eden. Hope you've enjoyed the gameplay, the story, and everything. Please do leave a comment down below, or the stuff I need to improve on, or stuff that my decisions I've made in this game already, or stuff that if you, the viewer, have made. Please do let me know. I'm interested to know. Leave a like. It will really help my channel. And subscribe as well, and that will really help me grow and improve on where I can go with this channel, where I want to take it. And yeah, we'll go straight back into this one.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, apparently we've got to prove ourselves.
If the nightmare is at work here, they'll need us.
So it looks like we're going to do some side missions, I guess. Oh.
The forge. Kate said the blacksmith may need help. The words of a ghost, Mares. What is it?
Salt water. It's pulsing. There's something here.
Mine, all mine. Mine, all mine. Mine, all mine.
What the fuck?
That ghost sounds nasty.
That ghost sounds obsessed.
It's not what we want.
That drill bit is dull as a hammer.
Fucking looks like a bloody... that. Nothing in there. Oh.
What kind of forge has no tools? These nails look brittle.
Is that letter?
Metalworking isn't easy, but this stuff is surprisingly shite.
Can't be easy to maintain a camp with a bad blacksmith.
You're damn right. Nothing she can reveal. There it is. No, I didn't mean to do that.
Drill bit is dull as a hammer.
I didn't mean to bloody do that.
Metalworking isn't easy, but this stuff is surprisingly shite.
Can't be easy to maintain a camp with a bad blacksmith.
Footprints. Tackety boots with hobnailed soles.
They're stained. I think I can uncover the traces. Let's finish here first.
Let's finish it. Was it? Oh, hello. What's this? Idea of friend Blacksmith. That's Paris. Interesting. I don't really read like a lot of it. If you do want me to read it, please do let me know. Let me know down in the comments, and I will do that for you.
Hello
My
there.
love.
Damn it. Oh. Forgive me. I oughtn't have startled. Oh well. Ain't you a sight? Who are you, then?
Red McCraith, ma'am, the Banisher. To whom do I owe the pleasure?
Oh, the Scotsman. I like your accent. And I like your manner, too. Nellie. Nellie Heaton.
A friendly Londoner. I like her already.
To the point, madam. Kate Newsmith worries for you, and for your husband too. He around?
Fortune left some hours ago and hasn't come back. I confess I'm beginning to worry. What if the beast got him?
Did he not say where he was going?
Thickskin has him making nails for the stockade. She presses him, and he feels the weight of it.
Did you fight?
We're best friends. We don't fight. He's a good man. He never lies. He'll put you at your ease, and before you know it, you're laughing. He is also devout. Almost forgot. It wasn't always so. Coming to New Eden saved us. It saved the marriage.
I should go look for your husband.
He's no woodsman, so he can't have gone far. Please, do find him. I didn't come this far only to lose him now.
Can I have a look around your house?
Yes, if it helps.
The forge is empty, no tools. Any idea why?
No tools? That's strange.
Why would your husband take tools with him? Why would he take all the tools with him?
I don't know.
Bloody weird, isn't it?
Here's the thing. In your forge, I found a puddle of salt water. Any idea how it got there?
The forge uses a lot of water, but that doesn't explain the salt.
It had the mark of a ghost. What think you of that?
A ghost? My lord, is my fortune in danger?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm looking into it, I hope not. So, what's the chatter?
Bad news travels faster than good. What would you like to know?
Always.
How's life about the place?
We're doing our best to make things work. The beast is worrisome, 'tis true. But Thickskin knows what's what. I'm sure we'll be fine.
If you do want to skip like this chatter stuff, I'm only doing it to like, if there's more stuff I need to know. If you do want to skip it, please do skip it.
She ain't perfect, that's for sure. But she's
I'll understand.
independent, fair-minded, strong in body as in character. She cares for us. I know it in my heart, even if she doesn't show it. Why else would she shield us from the beast?
What can you tell me of Kate Newsmith?
I like her. She's different from her sister. Sensible, watchful. When
Sensible.
she speaks, I listen.
Let's trade, Mrs. Eden.
All right, let's.
Oh, so you're the merchant. Okay. So I know where to come to.
Thank you for your time, Mrs. Eden.
Well,
Oh, I can finally go in the house.
enjoyed our chat. It's nice to have someone new to talk with.
Yeah. Now you can let me in. Yeah. Yeah. Now I can have a look.
I have a feeling about the bed. All the emotions are trapped here.
I think this is the right one. There's definitely an echo here.
A drop may
That's gone on.
hide the rain.
Yeah. Oh my god. Has he been possessed?
No. not yours.
That's no ghost threatening Nellie. That's her husband.
It seemed like he was fighting the urge to hurt her.
Yeah, there's something controlling him.
The blacksmith has gone missing with his tools.
Maybe that's why he's...
And a saltwater ghost haunts the forge. Let's go find it. A moment.
Well, that's handy.
Imagine all those years hunting ghosts, how much time we could have saved. Come on, let's go find our blacksmith.
This game's got a lot of, like, detective work in it, which is really cool. Because you can't deny... people like solving problems like this, so... This game is great. It's sick though how you can just switch from the spiritual world. Just like that. I wouldn't listen to IGN. Like giving it a 7, then it's just side scrolling, like you keep going through gaps.
What think
Don't
of the
listen to them
blacksmith and his
on
wife?
this one.
A ghost haunts Fortune Heaton and his smithy too.
Aye, but whose?
That's what I'm thinking. I think because he was fighting the urge to kill her. If he really wants to kill her, he would have done it. That's how I see it. Where the fuck did he go? That's not a good sign, is it? There's something I probably haven't got yet.
Blasted pest!
No fear, for you are with me. Holy Mary, pray for me. Saint Joseph, pray for me.
Trap you in a corner. Yeah.
Oh, God. Is someone there? Help! Please! I beg of you, help me! Holy Mary, pray for me. Saint
Can I join in too?
Come out. It's safe.
Are they gone? Hello there.
Hello there.
I thank you, whoever you may be, for whatever you have done. I thank you. I thought I was done for. Fortune Heaton, sir, and so very pleased that you came along.
Red McCraith, the Banisher.
Weren't there two of you?
There were, yes. As it happens, I've been looking for you.
You have? What for?
What are you doing out here anyway? Do you not fear the prowling beast?
I needed a walk, bit of fresh air, bit of light. Forge is... well, it's dark and hot, isn't it? I didn't mean to be a worry.
We all enjoy walking the woods while burdened down with smithing tools.
Why'd you bring your tools?
Yeah, why did I bring my tools? Why? Because they're haunted. That's why. I'm sorry, it's just... I'm losing my tiny little mind. And it's them godforsaken tools that's to blame. I start working with them, and then I look up, and half the day's gone, and I am somewhere else entirely, and that's not even the worst of it. When I return to the forge, the work is done. The tools are haunted, and I'm getting rid of them. As deep in the woods as I can go.
What do you mean? What?
Did the haunted tools tell you to kill your wife?
No. Yes. Maybe, no. I would never hurt her. Yes, they told me to hurt her. Maybe I'd have hurt her. Can you help us?
Yes, I can help. I heard you praying. I thought I recognized the text.
You did? Sure?
Nellie painted him a pious Puritan.
Aye. Thought they sounded Catholic.
Oh, well, just coincidence? Look, here's the truth. I'm a convert. I did it for Nellie. Was Catholic. It was a convenience more than a calling. Keep it to yourself, please. I need to fit in around here.
Compromise.
Not my business. I won't tell a soul.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's twice I
That's like me.
How are things with Nellie?
Good. Yeah, good. It's,
Nice having a wife.
nice. Having a wife. Home. Nellie is, a fine woman. Clever, brave, generous and kind. She's a blessing.
How did you meet?
Meet? How did we meet? Well, we just, met.
Does he not remember? Or does he not want to say?
Calm down, Mr. Heaton. No need to be embarrassed.
Interested.
Romance is good for a man.
Romance, it's not. I helped her with a thing. She helped me with a thing. We stayed together, helping each other with things. Doing right by one another can bring a couple together.
That sounds dodgy, doesn't it?
Always need romance.
So, you're the blacksmith. What's that like then?
It's alright, I suppose.
It's alright.
Noisy?
They actually worded
Of course
that.
I am. Lots of building work to be done. That means nails. Whole lot of nails, like an ocean of stupid bloody nails.
I love when a man takes pride in his work.
Head for camp. I'll take a look at the tools. Once they're safe, I'll follow.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir. Thank you, Banisher. Thank you.
Ghostly voices stain this place.
Mine! Mine! Mine, oh mine!
The ghost lays claim to the forge and everything in it.
The flatter from the echo is missing from the toolbox.
If it's not around here somewhere, he lied to us.
What's he looking for?
Let's see where the back door leads.
Where's he been? Oh, that's gonna be interesting. lied to us.
Fortune the blacksmith came deep into the dangerous woods.
Why?
He's no blacksmith, he's lying. We sent him home, I hope he's no danger to Nellie.
I think he's lying now. Why has he come all this way?
Something's concealed.
Look to me.
What the fuck is going on?
The hammer. Looks like Fortune tried to get rid of it. The hammer is the ghost tie.
Now to retrieve it without breaking my neck.
Yes, that would be a shame. We need to look for somewhere to cross.
Over here, apparently. God damn! That's so sick, man. Come on, bring out your ghosts.
I sense a trap.
I sense an echo.
All right then, let's trigger the trap.
Yeah, I sense a trap too. There's an echo, apparently.
Right, back to business. Pretty shite stuffed up. Get lost, would you? Try this on for size.
He's banished. He gone. He did.
Going for a meat suit.
I knew it.
trap. Should have been in Star Wars. It's a trap.
That's enough, Nellie. I warned you. I warned you this would happen again.
No.
Look at yourself. You're pathetic.
I want a divorce!
You're no Elizabeth Luxford. You are mine. And I'd sooner see you dead and cold than let you leave.
What's going on here?
Walk away, lad. This does not concern you.
I think it does.
Austin 316 says I just whipped your ass. Yeah?
What do you want to do?
Yeah.
Killed a man with his own hammer.
We should talk to his ghost.
Have you falach to?
Oh, hello there.
Hello there.
We are the Banishers Antea Duarte and Red McWraith. Whose ghost are you? Do we really have to listen to this bastard? Nothing good ever comes of talking to the dead.
At times, I'm tempted to agree.
Who are you and what do you want with the blacksmith?
My forge. My wife. My name. All mine. The bastard stole them.
Is he telling us our blacksmith's a fraud? That night, on deck, Nellie asked for a divorce. What happened then?
We saw what happened.
I want to hear him say it. What happened on the boat?
Ungrateful. Scheming. Errant. Whore.
Watch it. Red, come on.
Distempered. Feeble. A weak woman. Demanding care and giving none. I gave her a life and she stole mine. She had him kill me.
That's not what I saw.
You've been sowing madness in the mind of the man who replaced you.
She can't escape me.
Are you looking for revenge?
I claim what's mine. She schemed it. He seized it. And I shall have it back.
He's an evil bastard.
Why are you here?
I want what's mine. Stolen away. Pried from my grasp. I want my work. My name. My wife.
Your wife is not your property.
She was no one. A drudge who fancied herself a herbalist. I plucked her from the dirt. I made her.
All right, no. I'll not entertain this man a moment longer. I've had enough of this. Let's go. Now we know why Fortune Heaton died.
Maybe I'd have done the same. Nellie and her fellow are haunted yet, and I'm concerned for their safety.
So, Fortune is the real husband, and Matey Boy come in and killed her.
If you need a rest, this place is as good as any.
Could this be a treasure map? Looks like one.
Maps don't necessarily lead to treasure.
Aye, but what if
All the
this one
time.
does?
Very well. Let's look for this treasure that obviously awaits us.
Let's go. I've got another one. Right. It's gonna give me a choice now. I think, well, I don't know, actually. I have to hear the whole thing again. In theory, the husband didn't want to let her leave because she didn't want to be with him. He was threatening her, and then he came in.
I'm picking up something spectral nearby.
No, we're dealing with that right now. Going back to the forge quickly. Go sort this out. Oh, you're joking.
Enough!
See, the combat is so good. Like, the enemies are a bit naff, a little bit, but I don't know, the combat just makes up for it. It just makes you feel such a badass as a ghost hunter. Or Banisher. Interesting. So the guy lied to us to cover her tracks. That's why he lied. He was protecting her. Which I get.
I think Fortune's ghost is here. Let's end this now.
You should have said something.
I was afraid to worry you.
No secrets, we said.
We did. Because this only works if we're together.
Right. Together.
Do you think the Banisher knows?
No. Though I'd not swear on it.
He's no fool. I am no Puritan, he must know that at least.
Mine, oh mine, oh mine.
You again. Piss off, Eaton.
Hush. Someone's coming.
Banisher!
Hello there.
You're back.
Mr. McRae, my man came back and I hear I've you to thank for.
No.
Don't celebrate just yet.
Your secret is
I know
out.
the truth. Your secret is out. I don't know who you are, sir, but you're not Fortune Heaton.
Don't be daft.
Haskell hired the Puritan master blacksmith, Fortune Heaton. You're none of those things. You're not him.
What do you want?
I'd like your side of the story, madam.
Very well.
What? No. How do we know we can trust him?
We don't. But we must take the chance.
Well, no, anyway.
It's time.
On the crossing from England, something happened. What was it?
I'd had peace and quiet for weeks since we'd been aboard. Fortune was too sick to do anything. I even made a friend. I thought to myself, maybe this new beginning will be good for us. Maybe he'll change. Before we left, I'd sworn he'd never lift a hand to me again. Well, guess what?
We didn't plan on killing him. I swear on it.
Do you regret it? Do you regret any of it?
What would be the point? And if I did, what would be the point of telling you about it? I'd have escaped him in the end, but I'd have had to die to do it. I only killed him so he wouldn't kill me. The blame is on him, sir, not me.
When you demanded a divorce, your husband threatened you. Was that the first time?
It was the first time I'd asked for a divorce. It was not the first time he had raised his hands to me. I loved my husband once. I thought he understood me. But Fortune was an angry man. He was angry, and I was in his line of sight. No matter who or what had upset him, the full force of his anger would fall on me. Always on me.
How did you two meet?
Funny story. Best you tell it, Nelly.
On the crossing, Fortune was sick. He stayed below deck. When the weather allowed, I would take the air. One night, a voice came from the shadows. I should have run, but something in his tone told me he was kind. I was right. He is as kind can be. We became friends. Dearest friends.
Companionship on the companion way. How very charming.
You're not Fortune Heaton. So, who are you?
I am. To hell with it. You're right, I'm no blacksmith. I, sir, am the fugitive thief Arthur Carty.
But a good man. A repentant, hard-working man.
If I am those things, it's because you've shown me it's all right. I'm doing my best to make a better life. Really, I am.
What were you running from?
Just the legal consequences of my illegal life.
You sent me to find your husband, Mrs. Heaton. Find him I did. Your husband's corpse rots on the ocean floor, and his ghost has followed you here.
I rid myself of him once. What shall it take to do it a second time?
There he is. Oh, it doesn't, like, you can't. Nah, he's got to be banished.
Yeah?
Yeah. Be honest, I don't agree. I agree with her. She was gonna die. If he kept hitting her and the way it was going, Okay, this guy on the right has nothing to do with it. He's just come in into a bad situation. So I'm going to banish him.
Yeah!
Fortune Heaton. Dead as alive, you're an angry man. Time to go.
I made her. She is mine. I built it all, and they took it from me.
And now your work and your name shall pass to Arthur Carty while you enter oblivion.
Nellie will run the forge, and a better version of Fortune Heaton will walk the world.
I am Fortune Heaton. Ever was, and ever will be.
Not anymore. Be gone.
Life to the living, death to the dead.
Is it over? Is it done?
Aye.
See,
He's
in
gone.
my mind,
What will you tell the others? Will you expose us?
Will I spill your secret to the camp? No, I won't.
in my mind, he gave her abuse. So the best thing to do is give it back to him. He deserved to be banished. That is what I believe. If you don't agree with me, please do leave a comment down below. Because some people might have ascended him and they might have felt sorry for him because he didn't deserve to die. I think he deserved to die. Because there's no way in this, it's just no right in my mind that abusing like your wife who's been there for you is needed. There's no need for abuse. So I'm standing up to abuse. But yeah, that was my decision. I banished him. He deserved it. He deserved to be banished because yeah, that's just how it is. And there's another one apparently to do. What is this one?
This house here, look how stained it is. I wonder who's home.
Another banished victim. Right. I'm going to leave it here for part 5. Shit. Drop my controller. That's not good. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it here for part 5. Hope you've enjoyed this haunting case. And hopefully part 4 you've enjoyed too, how we got to the camp. You see how and see what happened. In part 5, in this part is more or less of helping the camp and showing what I can do. And showing you banishing someone. Ban it for a reason why I chose it. Because of what he done. What he done to his wife. What he was doing to his wife. I don't agree with abuse. I think that's very, very wrong to happen. So, in my mind, I banished him. The ghost needs to go, and his name can live on with someone else. And this guy who's trying to be better has been better. He hasn't done anything wrong. He's a thief. That's it. But he's been trying to help this woman out, and she's defended him. So clearly something has gone right here with these two being together. And this ghost needed to be banished. So that's why I did it. If you disagree with me, please do leave a comment down below. If you have enjoyed the gameplay and the video, please do leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah!